All right, here we are, fifth and final job site visit of the day. Where are we, Burnsville?
Lakeville.
Lakeville. Okay, we're in Lakeville. This is a complete basement remodel for one of our favorite builders. These guys are doing their final little bits here. Brandon's over here doing some final touch-ups. We're puttying some nail holes on some pre-finished woodwork. And I just completed all of my apprentice reviews and goal settings for the day. So these guys were my last ones. I took the entire day out of the schedule and I went around to all the apprentices and we sat down and reviewed them based on our core values, which we talked about in a podcast with the PDCA, which also there's a poster coming out with all those that you can download for free. And then we set a goal for the next 3 months, and then we set a goal for the year. And we basically have action steps for those to meet those goals. So they're on the final stages of this beautiful basement remodel here. You can see Alex is doing some woodwork puttying. They got some beautiful shiplap, big old light bulb, floating shelves, barn door down here, ready to be hung. Beautiful. Geraldo, how's it going, my friend? Nice modern fireplace there. Oh, Chris, how's it going? Chris Pomodoro. Oh yeah, beautiful bathroom here. So nice kind of rich color in here. So yeah, we'll be done out of here today. Do our final cleanup. We'll do the vacuuming, the sweeping, and everything else. And yeah, this will be a nice one. We'll get this turned over back to the builder, and they can do all their final little stuff. Move some furniture back in here, and yeah, these are fun little projects. So, all right, everybody, have a good rest of the day. I'm headed home, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.